guys. So we're going to do a new thing today. Oh, I don't think you can see this because of these stupid lights. Yeah, Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. Generally, you can only get Olaplex from a beauty supply if you are a licensed cosmetologist. Well, I let my license go maybe 20 years ago. Sephora has this, and it's not the one that you get at the professional beauty supply, but it does say it repairs and strengthens damaged hair. As you know, insert picture. I had very processed hair this summer. I took it completely Marilyn Monroe blonde, and I'm starting to get back to not really a natural color, but not quite so blonde. And now we have sort of a silver platinum thing happening. I want to let my hair grow a little longer. I ended up having to cut about 10 inches off this summer. While I don't want it to get that long, I do want a little bit more length, and I'd like my hair a little stronger. So we're going to give this a try today. There you go. You can see it again. And what it says is apply once a week, 2 to 3 times a week for damaged hair, which I have. Apply on damp towel-dried hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until it's thoroughly saturated, and let it sit for a minimum of 10 minutes. Whoa, we're going to be letting it sit a whole heck longer than that. So, here we go. Before I go any further, major contact malfunction. I'm going to get this thing turned around. It is driving me out of my flipping light. As I knock everything off in my bathroom just to get the contact lens solution. I hate it when this happens. I mean, my gosh. So I can look right there. The mirror. There, fixed. Ready to go. Now that we have that little irritant out of the way, let's try this Olaplex. And you know, it'd be my luck that they would have a, just what I thought. One of these stinking little child-proof caps. Dang it, I hate these suckers. Let me figure out a way to get the top off of this because, yeah, it ain't working. Don't know if you really want to see me put this on my hair, but here we go. Olaplex. And I'm having my hair recolored in April. So I want to make sure the ends at least are as strong as possible. And we're going to need to do a little bit more of that. I might end up using half a bottle on my hair, I think, because it's so... Oh, there are towels in the background. I usually don't have that. Make sure I've got it through. Usually use a comb, but they are washing. So I'm using a wide paddle tooth, bristled, not bristled, but a wide paddle brush. Because your hair is so much more fragile when it's wet, it seems. You can hear it. Gross. Okay, I think we have it through there. Now, yeah. Off to do some Russian twists, some core work. Okay, Olaplex is in. I left it in for probably 30-45 minutes. I have no other products in my hair. As you can tell, because it's kind of frizzy. I shampooed it and conditioned it like they said. I used Sephora shampoo and conditioner. And truthfully, feels the same as it did before. So going to keep it up, keep trying, and see if there's a difference or not. I like it, you know, I like it. I'm glad this one was made available to the public. I am going to keep it up. It said 2 to 3 times a week. We will do that, and I'll be back with another update. But as for now, you guys have a rocking day. Please subscribe, guys. I love you all. Have an amazing weekend. It's Friday, right? Yeah, I think so. And I'll be seeing you next week because I'm getting my eyes done again on Tuesday. So I'll be giving you a big before and after on that. Until then, love you. See you later. And as always, for the love of lavender.